value stocks in multiple business segments. That's what seems to be the theme in this segment for Value Stock Picks with Tracey Ryniec, our value stock strategist here. So here's what I mean when I say that. You've got Amerco, which is a holding company for UHAL.
That's right.
Right? But then they're also in real estate.
Yes, and they have a life and health insurance business too.
As if that weren't convoluted enough.
Yes, I didn't even think about it until you just brought up that both these companies have very strange, a collection of businesses.
Yeah.
But yes, Amerco is, I'm just going to call them U-Haul because that's basically what they are.
Everybody knows them by.
Yeah, which is the trucking and storage company. They're, one of the largest trucking companies. You rent the truck, you move your stuff, and then they're the second largest storage company actually in the United States. So that's their big business. But they do have an insurance company that insures for the rental. That's their Republic insurance line. Mm-hmm. And then they also have this Oxford Life insurance, which is life and health insurance for mainly seniors. That's only about 12% of the revenue.
And they're also in property casualty insurance.
Yeah, they have a little bit of that too. So yeah, but that all is the smaller segment. U-Haul is really the big business for them. It's an interesting area right now because apartment occupancies are rising. People are finally moving again. They're renting the U-Haul trucks. They've seen a couple good quarters here. You can see I put up there's only one analyst that we have covering it. So this person has been bullish recently, and you can see the estimates really rising here for both fiscal 2014 and then next year too. And that's mainly because you got the tight apartment rental market and housing is starting to recover. So you're going to see pickup in volumes here. Mm-hmm. Interestingly, the shares have been rallying since late last year, maybe about a year. So it hasn't been solely a 2013 rally for these guys. But, they're trading around 11 times. That's, pretty attractive given what's happening in the housing market, and they do have this side little business of insurance. Right. And, it's a name people know. So it's an interesting value play right here.
I will say that it is a name that seems to garner some attention on the street every earnings season.
Yeah, them and, the Ryder and some of the other rental trucks and storage. I mean, storage is huge business now. I mean, we've got so much junk, we got to put it somewhere.
That's right. Absolutely.
That's a big aspect of their business too.
And the other company that you brought up is in your search is Olin Corporation. Now, they're a manufacturer that has 3 business segments.
Yeah. They have this chloralkali business, and then they do chemical distribution, and then they have Winchester ammunition. It's kind of strange. Yeah. Most people do know of Winchester, though. The chemical side is more beholden to the prices of caustic soda and what's going on in that industry. They make bleach, chlorine, things like that. Mm-hmm. And then ammunition is where the real action has been recently.
So to speak, yes.
Yeah, well, yeah. They have seen, record sales on the ammunition. They sell to both military, police, and then for personal use too. And you basically can't get any ammunition. So they're making it as fast as they can. Now, everybody believes that is going to slow down, but they've been believing this for, I don't even know, years now, but certainly in the last year, everybody's believed that the gun sales and then following the ammunition will slow. But that hasn't happened yet. But you can see in the estimates, the analysts expect about 12% earnings growth this year. Most of that, well, a lot of it is from the ammunition side. And then next year, they're forecasting only 5% growth because they think the ammunition is going to finally slow down. But until I actually see them saying that, I'm not going to believe it, not yet. Because from what everybody's been saying just out on the streets, it's still incredibly difficult to even go to Walmart and get ammunition. So they report later this month, so we're going to, hear directly from them about how tight it is and what they foresee going into this second half of the year. But, the story's been good. The stock is kind of interesting. It's been not so great this 2013. It did rally into the new year, but it's been seesawing back and forth because I think investors in particular, know that the story on the ammunition side could end at any time, and then The chemical side isn't quite as glamorous, so they're kind of in the wait and see mode. It's trading around 11 times, so it's not altogether expensive, but we'll wait and see what happens on the earnings report. You might get a pop on the stock after that.
Yeah, that ammunition situation is kind of interesting.
Yes.
Have to wait and see how that plays out. Most I've ever done is brush my teeth with gunpowder. Helps me shoot my mouth off periodically. Do you own either of these two?
I do not, but the Turnaround Trader Service actually does own Olin.
Oh, okay. Great. Well, check out other stock picks and stock picking strategies on our website, Zacks.com. You can always check back often. In fact, you should, because they change often. With Tracey, I'm Terry Ruffalo.